About this item: chair mat for hard floors only, not suitable for use on any carpets. Protects hard floor surfaces from scratching and scuffing as you swivel and slide around effortlessly carrying out daily tasks. Also, guards against dirt, stains, and spills to reduce wear and tear of your flooring, avoiding expensive costs on hardwood or laminate floor repairing. Avoiding harsh rubbing between chair and floor also benefits chair casters. Strong and durable chair mat, made 2 mm thick of premium PVC material. This hard floor chair mat is ready to stand up to everyday use with any swivel chairs. It's scuff and scratch resistant and will not discolor, curl, bend, or crack under normal use. Not suitable for use on any carpets. Easy glide surface and edges, not for any carpets. Whether you need to roll back to stretch your legs and relax a little bit or roll onto the floor between tasks, this office chair mat for hardwood floor ensures effortless movement. Its smooth yet gripping surfaces allow you to slide freely without slipping or skidding while keeping the mat in place. You'll experience less physical fatigue of the legs and back throughout the day. Sleek and easy to clean, smooth surfaces are easy to clean and maintain, so you can enjoy the freshness of your chair mat all over the year. Sleek and transparent, the chair mat blends in well with your floor without detracting its beauty. This hard floor mat has a wide range of uses and will become your